Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting your wallet in a safe, read-only way so you can query history without exposing keys. Once done, copy the exact receiving address and choose an explorer or tracker that supports that chain. This matters because different explorers index different token standards. Make sure your wallet is on the correct network. If not, switch networks now. You want a reliable index source, like a block explorer or a trusted portfolio app, to proceed with accurate transaction visibility. Next, paste your address into the Explorer search and scan incoming transactions. Explorers show token transfers, contract logs, and internal TXS. Once visible, apply filters for token transfers or ERC20/ERC721 events. This narrows noise. Look for transactions from contract addresses or labeled as Airdrop, Mint, or Reward, and check transfer amounts and timestamps to confirm eligibility windows. Also inspect the token contract page to verify total supply and distribution notes. That explains why you received the token and its legitimacy. Finally, confirm each candidate airdrop by opening the token contract and reading the specific transfer or airdrop events. Event logs show exact amounts and sender contract addresses, which proves provenance. Once verified, note claim deadlines or vesting rules. These explain locked balances. If you don't see an expected airdrop, rescan with an alternative explorer, clear cache, or inspect pending internal transactions. Make sure you search the correct chain. If issues persist, contact the project with TX hashes as evidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.